The pace at which you talk can make anything sound exciting or can make it sound really boring and dull. So we're going to find out. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the very important tool in public speaking, and that is called pace. So this series is brought to you by Public Speaking Domination. This is part 7. My name is Sagar Rawat. I'm the lead coach at Public Speaking Domination. So let's get into it. So why pace matters? Have you ever heard a speaker speaking so fast because they got adrenaline rush and it sounds boring as hell? Hey guys, my name is Sagar and today I'm going to teach you 3 things when it comes to public speaking. I'll teach you how to project your voice. I'm going to teach you body language. I'm going to teach you storytelling. How does that sound? Boring as hell. How about, have you heard someone talking, hey guys, my name is Sagar and today I'm going to teach you 3 things when it comes to public speaking. I'm going to teach you how to project your voice. I'm going to teach you body language. This is also boring as hell. Imagine you have to spend your 4 hours with this person in a room. You're going to sleep. This person has ability to suck the energy out of you and leave you exhausted. And you don't want to be that person. So now you might be thinking, whoa, what do we do then? We can't speak fast. We can't speak slow. Should we speak at medium pace? Pace, by the way, is how fast or how slow you speak. That is called pace, pacing. Well, you should not speak at medium, you should not speak at fast, or you should not speak at slow pace. What we need is varied pace. Let me explain you what is varied pace. So if you look in nature, everything has got variety. You look at the trees, all the trees look different. 2 people born at the same time, they grow differently. You listen to rivers flowing, the sound is varied. So nature gives us variety and we love variety. Imagine if you got chicken nuggets and chips every single day for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. How boring it is going to be. Same is with your speech. If you speak really fast, if you speak really slow, you keep it same, it becomes monotonous. So now it's important to understand, how do we speak? We speak slow on the areas where we want to emphasize, where we want to stress that this is important. We slow down. That tells people this is important. But if it is not important, you can speed things up. You can speak a little bit faster than usual. Let's understand this with an example. I'll do it the wrong way first, and then I'll do it right way. And then you tell me if you see any difference. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make perfect spaghetti cacio e pepe. It's an Italian dish. Cacio means cheese, pepe means pepper. In order to make spaghetti cacio e pepe, you only need 5 ingredients. You need olive oil, you need garlic, you need cheese, you need pepper, and you need spaghetti. So what I do is I take one pan, I boil some water and throw in the spaghetti, and spaghetti boils for 8 minutes. So meanwhile, I have a song playing on Alexa. It's called Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra. It goes for 8 minutes. Once the song is over, my pasta is ready. I take another pan, I put olive oil, I put garlic, and in goes the spaghetti. And then finally, I put cheese and the pepper. I toss it for 2 minutes, and I put it on a plate. And that's it. That's how you make perfect spaghetti cacio e pepe. Absolutely boring as hell. Why? Your brain does not know what is important, what is not important. Now, let's use the technique that I taught you in this video. All right, guys. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make perfect spaghetti cacio e pepe. Cacio means cheese. Pepe means pepper. So in order to make a spaghetti cacio e pepe, you only need 5 ingredients. You need olive oil, you need garlic, you need cheese, you need pepper, and you need spaghetti. So this is what I like to do. I take one pan, I boil some water, and I throw in the spaghetti. On Alexa, I play a song by Frank Sinatra called Fly Me to the Moon. The song goes for 8 minutes, and that's the amount of time it takes to boil the spaghetti. So once the song is over, I know my spaghetti is done. Then I take another pan, I put in the olive oil, I put in the garlic, and then finally in goes the spaghetti. And then I toss it for 2 minutes, and finally goes the cheese and pepper, which is cacio and pepe. And that's it. That's how you make perfect spaghetti cacio e pepe. So which one did you guys like? 1 or 2? Chances are 2. Why? Because when I said cacio means cheese, pepe means pepper, you need only 5 ingredients. So I really slow down. But when it's not important, like boil the water, listen to the song, I can speed things up. And that's how you hold people's attention. If you feel that people are tuning out, maybe you're not using enough variety when you're talking to people. So try this technique, and also let me know in the chat right now if you have seen this video till this far, how do you usually speak? on medium pace, fast pace, or slow pace, or varied pace? Let me know.